So hello guys, welcome to HS Academy. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to discuss with you about one very useful app. If you are looking for safety jobs, if you want genuine safety jobs without giving any money to the any agent and all, then this particular video is going to be useful for you because I'm going to talk you about one very useful app in this video and how you can utilize it. Okay, so let's get started. So see guys, the app which I'm going to talk you about, already you will be having maybe that app, but you don't know how to properly utilize that. Okay, and even I'm using that particular app. Okay, you can check out that also. So guys, first of all, that app name is LinkedIn. But now stop. People after hearing that just leave that video. People don't know how to utilize that. I have seen that a lot of people are using LinkedIn, but people don't know how to properly utilize that. If you know how to utilize LinkedIn properly, then you can grab very good opportunities in the field of safety. Okay, so those who are new to this particular app, those who don't know about this particular app, first of all, they need to go to Play Store. After going to the Play Store, there will be one app, LinkedIn, LinkedIn. Okay, so you need to download that. Not light version, LinkedIn version. Okay, it may be around 30 to 35 MB will be there. You need to download that. After downloading that, 5 main steps are there. How many? 5 main steps are there that you need to follow. Okay, simply downloading that, making one unnecessary profile just for riding that bike rider born on 27 like that, it will not be enough. Okay, so LinkedIn act like a Facebook, professional Facebook. Okay, where the professional community is available. Those who are working, those who are entrepreneur, those who are doing any sort of services and all, they come generally on LinkedIn. Okay, so first step that you need to follow is putting a good and decent and professional profile picture. Generally, I have seen that in the people's LinkedIn account, first of all, they don't put any picture. I don't know why they don't put any picture, they will not put. So if you will not put any picture, means it looks like it's a fake account. Okay, or you are not interested to show your face there. So it is not generally a professional way. So try to put your one photo, professional photo, not like a selfie you have taken with your friends, you have taken in your train and all. Just try to put a passport size professional photo. Okay, so the recruiters, those who are coming for looking for the any of the person's employee in their organization, they can find you. Okay, second point comes here guys, regarding description. People don't write about their description, simply they write their name, and afterwards from there where they are belonging, and just think that they will get the job. First of all, you need to write your name. If you are looking for the opportunity, you need to write one line, actively looking for the opportunity. After that, you can mention for which particular purpose you are looking for opportunity. For example, in our case, as a fire and safety engineer or as a fire and safety officer, we can write fire officer, safety officer, EHS manager, safety steward. Like these points, we are looking for opportunities. Okay, after coming to that, there will be one section that is called about. So kindly make sure that you will write around one paragraph about you, actually who you are, what are your skills. Okay, how you can improve our organization. Generally, as you know, that resume is there, no, biodata. In that also we are writing about. One section is there, objective. So you can just copy that in that particular section. Afterwards, when we come to the down section, there will be one skill. So skill, you need to write that. What are all your skills? For example, you know FMEA, failure mode effects analysis. You can write that. You know how to conduct a HAZOP. You can write that. Okay, so don't write that permit to work, safety training and all. Just write some professional designations around 39 to 40. You can write that much. LinkedIn allows you. Okay, afterwards one more thing is there. If you do that, means that will be more good for you. First of all is your attachment of certificate. That is included in second point itself. Attachment of certificate. Some professionals are there, those who are practicing, so generally they put their certificates. Okay, photo of the certificate. Okay, so it will act like a transparency. Means if the recruiters, if I'm a recruiter, I'm a HR, so I can visit to your profile and just check out that whether everything is okay or not. Okay, so you like that, you can also do it. As well as you can put your digital resume also there. So recruiters, if they are looking for any opportunity, they can directly download the resume, and after that they can call you as a shortlist guy. Okay, so this one is the second point. Now when we come to the third point guys, this is about very important regarding your achievements. Just try to write your achievement. For example, if you have done any project work, research work you have done during your studies, I'm talking about safety only. Okay, so try to mention in that. If you got any achievements, just try to write in that. Previously you have little bit of experience, try to write in that. Not just experience, just write the project, what actually you have done. Like for example, I have worked in fire protection engineering. So at the time we are installing sprinkler system, hydrant system, Novak 1230, FM200, like that systems we are installing. So try to write that. Try to give some brief description about that. If you have done any course, try to give some brief description about that, because LinkedIn is acting as a digital resume for you. Okay, After installing, after writing that, the fourth point comes is networking, as well as you need to do networking for that. Networking means, see, when you are new to the LinkedIn, people will not follow you because nobody have the follower at that time. Okay, so what you need to do is, as a safety professional, you need to follow the safety guys. I am a safety guy, you can follow me. Other, so at least you need to make 500 connections. So when you make 500 connections means your profile will look like smart. After that, recruiters will visit that your profile will rank at good positions. Okay, recruiters can visit if they like your profile, if they shortlist you, they can directly message you, as well as they can directly contact you, put your mobile number over there. Okay, so this is how the things works. As well as with regards to safety professionals also, try to follow HRs also of different companies, HR and recruiters. Okay, so it will be a very good thing for you, because in my practical life also I have seen that people are just visiting on the LinkedIn for the best peoples. Okay, so try to make on that. Now LinkedIn also, there are two types of you can tell versions are available. Free version is there, paid version is there. So try to get first of all free version. If you find it useful, you can go for paid version, otherwise no issues. Okay, so this is about networking we have done. Now when we come to the fifth point, that is your with patience. Now see guys, good things take time. Good things take time, so you need to be patient. Around, it will take around 1 to 2 months in order to get some response, because first of all you need to increase your connections. When you are new to the LinkedIn, people will not follow you, people will not visit your profile. Once your profile looks decent, once your profile looks professional, people will come to your profile, just know about you. As well as if you're running any channel, YouTube channel, as well as providing any services, try to make that. Okay, if you have any YouTube channel also, you can put over that, so people can at least know that. As well as try to share on the daily basis any post, any safety related thing. Just making a profile will not help you. You need to be engaged there, you need to be interactive there, try to share something there. Okay, it may be your post, it may be something regarding your idea, so at least it can reach to the people. People will know you. So this is how the things work. So if you are able to implement these 5 strategies on your LinkedIn account, then surely I can tell that within next 1 or 2 months you will be getting very good opportunities in the field of HSC or any field you want job. Okay, so this is about particular app guys. I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, press the like button, as well as share this video with your friends. As well as if you have any further question with regards to LinkedIn or any job app you want description, so you can put them in comment box. I'll be happy to make a video on that. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Meet you in the next video.